Oak trees swaying side by side. Sunlit windows open and bright. Living room glowing in natural light. Kitchen warmth and peaceful days. Bedroom calm where worries fade. Evening stars above the land. Mountain dreams at your command.
Hi, I'm Lenny Sharp, leader of the Sharp Mountain Homes team of eXp Realty. We're here in the communities just outside Yosemite National Park, and our specialty is helping short-term rental or Airbnb investors invest in our area and build their portfolio of high-performing, cash-flowing properties. So how do we help you? Well, there's a variety of ways, and we have many tools. We also have a 57-page investor guide, which gives you all the tips, tricks, and key information, valuable nuggets that will help you select the area and select the home that can generate maximum profitability. Our latest resource is our Yosemite STR Deal Finder. This is an app that we built on Base 44 based on AirDNA data. We literally licensed all the data for all the Airbnbs in the Yosemite area, and in fact the northern and southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and provide great investment opportunities for you, the investor. You'll see the listing down below. That's the homes.com listing with all the key information about the listing, as well as the photos, etc. Along with that, we're going to then take a tour of the property and give you those tips and tricks as we walk the property so you can make the very best investment decision possible. If you're thinking about an STR in our area, reach out to me or any of the members on my team. You can see our contact information on my website, sharpmountainhomes.com, and give us your information, download the investor guide, and use that as the foundation for your search. We look forward to meeting you, showing you properties, and starting you on your Yosemite area STR investing adventure. Thank you very much. We're at 5276 Standen Park in Mariposa. Checking out this listing. It's brand new, few days old at $499. So we are going to take a look inside the house, but I just want you to soak in the view. It is spectacular. So this is a great spot in terms of the view, but I will warn you, we'll get some footage on the way out of here, but the driveway or the road in is not great, which was a little disappointing and surprising given that it's so close to town. But it's pretty inviting. You walk in, look at the high wood ceiling, vaulted with beams. Step over here and you've got the kitchen dining area. Kitchen is frankly just okay, a little retro, white appliances, older cabinets, Formica countertops. Looks like cork wallpaper, but you're going to see a lot of popcorn ceilings. So they've done, a nice job of decorating. I suspect there might be an artist involved, but certainly could use some updating. And these floors are a inexpensive wood look vinyl floor, laminate, not a quality LVP. So we've got one of the kids' bedrooms there, second bedroom here. Again, the bedrooms definitely have the views on this side of the house, beautiful. And then step over here to the shared bath. So this is a 2.5, I believe. So not bad. Now we've got a little nook there, a little deceptive. Looks like it goes around the corner, but that's just a mirror. So kind of an interesting bedroom layout, and you kind of navigate through the closet to get to the primary bath that's ensuite to the primary bedroom. And they've got this set up to enjoy the view. And we'll just step out on the back deck quickly. And you do have the garden, a really nice outdoor area, and a wood-fired hot tub and a cold plunge, or sometimes called the cowboy pool. Yeah, and some views out the back to the side there and up the hill. So, yeah, pretty interesting property. Not exactly what I was expecting, but yeah, like I said, I think the issue is it really does require some updating to kind of bring it up to modern standards. All the finishes are just either dated or kind of cheap, frankly. So down here we got a little bonus room. Yeah, so it's a kind of a kitchenette situation there and a half bath. So the downside is, while you could put somebody down here, kind of call that the fourth bedroom, but in Mariposa County, you wouldn't actually call it the fourth bedroom. There's the laundry and the rest of the garage, which is, again, this would be some sort of game room situation. Anyway, this doesn't really provide certainly a separate suite option, but it does allow you to accommodate more guests. Okay, so I stand slightly corrected in that we do have this outdoor shower. So I guess there would be some potential, little storage there, would be some potential to offer this as a separate bookable unit. A little complicated just in terms of Mariposa County. You would not call that, a separate unit in terms of STR permit, but maybe you could get away with that. Storage there, more views, fire pit, and house up the hill. So pretty interesting property, and just wanted you to get a sense of it from this tour. Let me know.
Our mountain homes team, we ride as